We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
When to refrigerate cakes. Most cakes, frosted, unfrosted, cut, or uncut, are fine for several days when properly stored at room temperature. Before refrigerating, wrap unfrosted cakes in plastic wrap to protect it from drying out or absorbing refrigerator smells.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.